What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So if you're looking for a 5-port charging station, then you're on the right place. Yes, this is the Seenda USB charging station. You heard me right. Seenda USB charging station. The good thing is that it only costs you around $40 US. Currently it's going for around $35 US. Yes, currently it's going for around $35 on Amazon. So how good is this? I'm really very much excited. Let's get started with the unboxing. But before that, I want to show you from the back. As you can see from the back, it's a 50 watt, 5 volt output and 2.4 amp per USB port. Okay, nothing much. Okay, let's do the unboxing and then here we go. Okay, these are the baffle which we need to install. Okay, and this is the quick start guide. Okay, it gives you the instruction how to install. I think this one is German if I'm not wrong. Okay, you need to install, and then I think this one is English. Okay, here we go. Okay, awesome, nothing special here. Okay, it comes with a lot of like USB cable, micro USB, and then the USB-C, which is really very much awesome. Okay, that's good. First I wanna install this baffle, this organizer, I mean stand, which will help me to make my phone or tablet stand out. Okay, I like this, I mean the regular standard cable. It uses this is the same PlayStation 4 I mean cable or any normal electronic cable. Okay, so the main tricky part is that installing this one. Are you excited? Yes, I'm excited, so I'm going to install now this one. Okay, here we go. Let me open this one. Okay, okay, so here we go. Okay, okay, let's see how to install. I don't want to break this one. Is this installed or not? I'm not sure literally. I think so, it's already installed. Okay, let me install the second one. I mean, if you're looking for really a 50 watt, so this is a 50 watt, I mean it can charge up to 5 of your electronic devices at the same time, which I'm really very much excited to be honest with you. Let me see, will it waggle or not? Not much. Okay, that's quite easy. It's not hard for me because I'm a Jimmy, a geek. I'm not a stupid geek. I know what I'm doing. Yeah, I mean, wow. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. Awesome. Okay, and then okay, here we go. Awesome. I mean, for like around $40 US, this is dirt cheap. Again, no one pay me to make this video. All of the opinion you are hearing is my own opinion. At the end of the day, I wanna be honest here and transparent with you. Okay. Okay, and the final one, the last one left. The last one left. I'm excited. Are you excited? Okay. So all of the 5 are installed, but let me grab my 6-inch phone and put inside. Okay. Let me grab my iPhone and put inside. Let me grab my tablet with a very thick case, a 10-inch tablet. I mean, literally, you can fit anything inside. This is like a huge 10-inch tablet. So now I wanna put, for example, like I wanna use the mic USB-C for my, yeah, this is a USB-C to demonstrate to you for charging purpose. Okay, for example, just install here and install here. Is that okay? Awesome. And now I am going to install the wire, but I think so the socket is not near me, but let me try. I think I can try. Okay, let me try. So I wanna say sorry because I mean there was not a power socket near me, so I'm using another cable, as you can see. So the moment of truth, is it charging or not? I'm really very much excited. Okay, here's my phone. Is it charging or not? So let me put it again. Okay, it's not charging. Why is that the case? Okay, I didn't turn on. Now I think so it will charge. Let's get started. I'm very much excited. Yeah, finally, can you see charging? Can you see the green dot is charging? You see? Yeah, it's charging. I mean, literally one of the best, most organized USB charging station dock ever I seen in my life. This is a must buy. When I'm telling you it's a must buy, it's a must buy. Again, this is one of the most organized. You can fit a small phone. You can fit up to a 10-11-inch tablet. This is very strong and very easy to install. To be honest with you, I'm really very much happy. This is a must buy. When I'm telling you this is a must buy, then literally I mean this thing is a must buy. There's no argument in it. Okay, this thing is a must buy. I mean the quality of this thing is amazing, outstanding, to be honest with you. I mean, only costing you around $40. What else you can expect? I mean, be honest with me. Be honest with me. What else you can get in $50? Be honest with me. Literally be honest with me. So yeah, it was me, Geek. Make sure to check out the link in the description box below. This is a must buy, to be honest with you. Amazing, a must buy. Subscribe and buy.